It was a headache performance by the Reggae Boyz in that 1-1 draw with St. Vincent and the Grenadines. It was indeed an equally wanting performance by coach Steve McLaren against a team ranked more than 100 places below them on the FIFA ranking. Under no circumstances should a Jamaica senior football team be left clutching onto a last-minute penalty to get a point from St. Vincent. And yes, they got and missed some chances. But even then, a result like this, with such a wide gap in quality and ranking of the two teams, the blame for this bad result must lay squarely at the feet of the coach. Got the impression that Coach McLaren was just waiting and hoping Jamaica would score without making any adjustments until after St. Vincent scored. That's not good enough. The second game is on Tuesday. Reggae Boyz and Coach McLaren, fix it, please, and thanks.